malinis yung ilog namin. Dati kahit saan lang kami kumukuha ng tubig, kuha kami ng hukay kami sa gilid ng ilog, ng balon. Tapos doon kami iigib na pang-inumin, pang-hugas, pang-gamit sa bahay. Sa bandang huli, sa katagalan, namin napansin na parang naghihina na yung tubig namin, nakakunti lang ba. Akala namin ay dito sa amin bigyan kami ng tubig. Yun pala ay doon na sa papunta pala sa Boracay yun. Buti pa sila nga doon ay maraming tubig sa Boracay. Kami dito naghihirap kami.
Nag-meeting kaming faculty kung anong pwede namin gawin. Nakipag-coordinate kami sa aming barangay officials kung paano namin mapadali at matugunan ang aming mga problema. So timing din po na dumating ng taga Coca-Cola at yun nga natugunan ang aming malaking problema.
The Little Red Schoolhouse is a program of the Coca-Cola Foundation that we started in 1997. Our intention then was to help the Department of Education provide schoolhouses, classrooms in the very underserved areas around the country.
Well, the Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines has been a long-time education partner of PBSP through its Little Red Schoolhouse project. PBSP and Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines have been able to provide school facilities in over 100 schools nationwide. Through our environment program and Project Agos of Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines, we are able to bring water access to these Little Red Schoolhouses.
Well, of course, the school, the children have to have potable water, but they can't just have water in the schools. It's also important for it to be available to their homes and their families. Upon assessment that they were in need of potable water, we went back to Nabaoy with PBSP to install the water system.
Nagdala sila ng bus na si Amrolio yata yun. Inuna namin yung tangke paggawa, nagbuhat kami ng mga tubo papunta roon. Tapos niladlad namin, dinudugtong-dugtong hanggang dito, nakarating dito sa tangke namin. Nabigyan eskwelahan, nabigyan yung mga tao dyan sa baba ng inumin, saka panggamit sa mga bahay. Hindi na maghihirap yung mga tao doon. Dito sa amin na mag-igib-igib pa doon sa ilog ng tubig. Kasi mayroon na kaming garipo, tubig na maganda, pwedeng inumin.
Nagkagaan po sa buhay namin na may patubig na po sa mga bahay namin. Yung gusto nilang tulungan na school, pati yung pamayanan at kabahayan na isang bagsak nila ng tulong dito.
Masaya po kami na may tubig na po kami kasi hindi na po kami nahihirapan mag-igib at hindi na kami gumigising ng maaga.
The project is very significant to us. It connects the two things that are important to us. Good learning environment for the students, at the same time making sure that they have potable water.
Through partnerships like these, we can complement, consolidate, and scale up different initiatives and efforts to really address water insecurity challenges throughout the country. The Water Alliance is a much bigger platform led by CEOs in bringing to bear the expertise and resources of the private sector in generating awareness about these issues, developing area-based solutions, bringing water to waterless communities, and looking at measures by which everyone can contribute to conserving water.
The objective is to get companies involved in water security issues in the country. We're hoping that this is a kind of project that we can show as a model that others can follow or others can improve on, so that together many of us can work on providing water to many more waterless communities around the Philippines.